Hey there, pool players. This is episode 20. A lot of crazy things went on in this episode. Hope you guys enjoy the various shots and get a kick out of what I did. All right, guys, from this angle, we're hitting the center of the 8-ball. So with that, I would like a little bit of draw. So I'm going to hit a half tip below center on this shot, full stroke. Okay guys, with this break shot, I didn't have much energy on the rack because I had a very shallow angle and I was going into the meat of the rack. It really helps if you have angle on that shot, and I didn't. But this is the exercise, so I kind of expect this after this break shot. But a pretty creative way I get out here, so see if you see anything, and I'll give you some time because I have to think a little while before I shoot here. Guys, for giggles, I like to try these shots. I'm going to play the 2-15-10 into the 4. I'm going to call the 5 ball in the corner. So 2-15-10, 4, 5 in the corner. All right, guys, the 15 goes, the 12 does not. Solve a lot of problems here, guys. I can play the 13 and go into the balls, or the 9 and go into the balls, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be guaranteed a shot. I know the 10's hanging in front of the pocket. It would seem kind of like a bad roll not to get a shot, but let's go ahead, guys. Let's give it a roll. Just need a good roll here. Let's see what happens. I can't do it. I don't want to eliminate my break shot. So I'm going to play the 10 ball, come back up for the 2 or the 11 or the 15. Preferably the 15, but I'm going to underhit it so I have more shots. Okay guys, I landed nicely on the 15, so I can pull back on that and get on the 12 ball. The 4 ball eliminates the, I can go into the 7 with the 4 ball if I get underneath the 4. So let's play this 12. I'm going to play for the 5 and the 12. I'm going to cheat the pocket a smidge and try to get above the 12. If I get above the 12, I might be able to solve a 14 ball problem. So I'm going to cheat slightly to the right side of the pocket. Just slightly, guys. I'm going to focus on making the ball. Yeah, I did cheat at all. Okay, bad shot. I'm going to go through the 11 for position on the 4 ball. If you recall earlier, I said I needed a little angle on the 4 to solve this problem. I don't have it. So I'm going to swing 2 rails and try to hit the 14-3. I should have shots on the 2, 11, or the 8. I just missed it. Okay, I don't want the 4. Wow, 6 went in a horrible position. Okay guys, I'm thinking ahead now. I'm in a lot of trouble and I don't have many options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the 9 ball. I'm going to go into the 7-13. Hopefully generate a shot I can split up the 3 and the 14 up next and move on from there. I'm thinking I'll use the 11 ball to get on the 2 ball for the 2 ball in the side break shot. I don't like it. Maybe the 11 ball in the side break shot's better, 2 rails underneath. But this is what I have. I'm looking at this thoroughly, and it looks like I can come underneath and hit the 13. That might eliminate the 3-14. I'm gonna hit. I'm gonna hit the top of it. Okay. Now that's not bad, guys. I can get on the 13 to go into those balls. Guys, I got a little unfortunate here. I'm pretty straight on the 7, so I got to draw back for the 13, which means if I don't get the right angle on the on these 2 balls, I don't break them up, and the run is very possibly over. Trying to see if there's anything else I can do positive with this 13 ball. Looks like I could attack the 6 ball. It's a small ball. If I leave that 7, maybe I can use that to attack. I don't want to leave balls here. All right, guys, I'm gonna force the cue up on this 7. I didn't get high enough. All right, so we take the 11. And we play position on the 2 to go into the 3-14. I'm gonna play position on the 2 and the 6. I'm a little lucky to have that ball going. I hit that a little off. Okay, I can go right into these balls. I have the 8 as insurance. That is not what I want to hit, but I may have a couple balls and I may be able to use the 13 balls in my break shot. Okay guys, all is not lost. It's not peachy, but all is not lost. Now, my head is going a little crazy here. I'm thinking if I get on the 3, I can kick the 14 up to a break shot and I have insurance with the 13 ball. Problem is I got to get on the 6 to where I get on the 3-ball. I could also try to hit the 13 ball this angle and have it come this way. And I had the 3 as insurance. Even if I got the 13 in front of the corner pocket, it's a potential break shot. I mean, if I got the 13 in front of the corner pocket. I'm going to do that, guys. I'm really in a bad spot here, so I have to get a couple rolls here to continue this run. Okay. Still alive here. I come 2 rails, try to get on the 6 ball. The 13 ball is off the rail, guys, so I am still alive here. I'm going to go back and forth. 2 long rails, try to get a good angle on this 3 ball to go back into the stack. The 3 ball's frozen. That's not ideal for the break shot, but at this point I don't really have much choice, right? So let's go 3 rails, guys. 1, 2, 3, and come back. Hit that rail and come out. All right, guys, since I had to scramble at the end, we're going to go ahead and show you the break shot after the rack. All right, guys. I have to hit this with force, else I got no shot, so I'm going to account for the deflection jacked up. Okay, guys, keeping the dream alive here. Hey there, pool players. Chapter 2, episode 20, second shot in the series. Wow, had a lot of fun this rack. Got to do a couple creative things, which, straight pull sort of facilitates. And I managed to get out with a very, very difficult rack. Sometimes you got to scramble, sometimes it's easy. This was more of a scramble. But I hope to see you guys at the next angle, and thanks for watching.